Alright, I couldn't find any videos online of how to take apart the rear end of a 2018 Yamaha bike, so this is just a quick video. Tools you're going to need 4mm hex, you're going to need 5mm hex, you need a ratchet, and a 12mm socket. And I'm going to use an extension to make it easier. So, first step, you got to take apart the rear end. So pop open your rear compartment. Pop this off. I recommend using a towel so you don't scratch any of your plastic parts. And then we're going to start taking apart the seat. Alright, next you're going to take 5mm hex. You're going to undo these right here. Take out your seat. After you do that, take this panel out. Alright, next we're going to remove the side skirts. You have the 4mm hex right here. 4mm hex right here. Under this plastic grommet, you got 12mm bolt, and then we have another 12mm bolt right here. And we have one last 4mm hex right up here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. It's identical on either side. So now we're going to take both those off. Careful you don't strip these ones out when you put them back in. This one does have a little washer on it, don't forget that. Two bolts that each have a metal washer as well. Alright, before we continue, we have two plastic poppers on either side. You just push in with a screwdriver, pop them, and then pop them out. Don't drop them like me. Either side. Alright, leave this center one in for now. Alright, now that the bolts are off both sides, you just take this, pull it straight off the bike. So lift, pull. Don't angle it like this when you pull it off. There's a little tab that slots into here off your taillight, and you will break off that little piece. It won't ruin your taillight, but don't break if you don't have to. Alright, now with those off, you can pretty much do either your tail light. You can remove your tail light. You can also have access to your bolts to remove your license plate holder, so you can put on a tail tidy. It's all accessible. In here, there is a popper clip right here that you have to take off. You can just pop it right out. Take it out. That holds in your cables for cable management. There's also going to be a white zip tie tied in there. I just cut that off. It's not really needed. So those need to be removed, and then you can unplug both your directionals and your brake light right here. That's where you install your integrated tail light if you were, or if you were gonna either splice wires for some aftermarket tail lights or for your stock ones. You might want to unplug these so you can connect them. And to put everything back together, just follow the exact same steps. Just make sure again you don't strip out these screws right here. They're kind of easy, and yeah, just plug everything back in.